Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Klarna account. So you come here, once you're logged into your Klarna account, click on this gear cog, okay, to access your settings. Under settings, I want you to just scroll down until you see privacy and security. Okay, go ahead and click on privacy and then click here, request for personal data. Now I want you to do this, just scroll down. You'll see here for requesting to these, including delete your personal data and terminating your relationship with Klarna, you need to fill out the form and state your request. So you just scroll down, choose the request type. So here choose exercise your right to deletion of your personal data and terminate your relationship with Klarna. Choose that one. And what I want you to do is just go ahead and scroll down, fill in this form, first name, last name, email address that was used to place the orders. Okay, if you have an additional email addresses, put them in as well. Scroll down, enter your date of birth. Okay, make sure it's accurate and then hit submit. Okay, and then they'll go ahead and delete your account. Once they receive a request, they'll even send you an email. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.